Hello dear students, I am Ashok Kumar, your science teacher. Today I am going to teach you about the mirrors in light of class 7. All the mirrors are not straight like the plane mirrors. Some of the mirrors are curved mirrors. The common example of a curved mirror is a spherical mirror. So today I am going to explain about the spherical mirror. Now what question arises that what is a spherical mirror? The spherical mirror is that mirror whose reflecting surface is the part of a hollow sphere of a glass. The inside surface of a hollow sphere of a glass is bent in or concave, but the outer surface of a hollow sphere of glass is bulging out or convex. It means the spherical mirror are of two types. One is the concave mirror, other is convex mirror. Now I am going to explain both the concave mirror and the convex mirror one by one. First of all, we come to concave mirror. What is a concave mirror? The concave mirror is that spherical mirror in which the reflection of light takes place at the concave surface. Here the diagram of the concave mirror has been shown in the figure. Now the reflecting surface of the concave mirror is represented by A. So the reflection of light will take place from this concave surface, and the back side of the concave mirror is represented by drawing the small oblique lines. So it is this back side of the concave mirror has silver coating. It is protected by the red paint. Now the back side of the concave mirror has been marked B. Now we come to the convex mirror. What is a convex mirror? Convex mirror is that spherical mirror in which the reflection of light takes place at the convex surface. So here the diagram of the convex mirror has been shown in this figure. Now the reflection of light takes place from this convex surface. This convex surface of the convex mirror is on its left side, and the back side of the mirror, which is marked A, it is represented by the small oblique lines. So here we have defined both the concave mirror and the convex mirror. Now from the above discussion, we conclude that a mirror in which the reflecting surface is bent in, that is called concave mirror, and those type of mirror in which the reflecting surface is bulging outwards, they are known as convex mirror. Now it can be understood by taking an example of a shining silver spoon. When we look at both the surfaces of the spoon, we find that the one side of the spoon is bent in. The front side of the spoon is bent in, so that's why this front side of the spoon is a concave mirror. And while we are looking at the back side of the spoon, they are bulging outwards. They will represent the convex mirror. So here the shining silver spoon will represent both types of mirrors, concave mirror as well as convex mirror. When we look at the shining silver mirror, and if we see our face, then it will represent two different types of images of our face, because there are two faces in the spoon. One is the front side, other is the back side. So here we find that it will represent two different types of images of our face. It is only due to the two different types of mirrors they are having. Since in a shining silver spoon they are containing two different mirrors, they are concave mirror as well as convex mirror. Now it is very much important that like the plane mirrors, the concave mirror as well as the convex mirror will also work on the reflection of the light, laws of reflection of light from their surfaces. Thank you.